Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making this beautiful snowflake wreath. We appreciate your support. You'd hit subscribe and like. For this project you'll need 6 white Christmas trees from Dollar Tree. They're $1.25 each. When you get them, just take them apart, fluff them up a bit so they look all nice and furry. You'll just have to fluff one side and you'll bend the branches toward the front. There, when they're all fluffed and pushed to the front, you'll just zip tie the ends together. Once the pairs are zip tied together, you'll hot glue on the surface of those. Once that's glued, you'll take another pair, put them at an angle against that, zip tie it, and hot glue that again. Then once the second one is done, you'll take the next pair, put them at an angle opposite to the last one, zip tie that to the layer you just did, and hot glue that. Once the boughs are all together, you'll take some ribbon, in this case we're using blue because we have a blue snowflake, and make a nice pretty blue bow. Stick that on there and hot glue it down. There, the bow's in place. We put the white clear snowflake on there, and then we got this blue triple ornament at Dollar Tree as well, but it was a little too big, so we're just going to take the back off of that so we have a flatter surface for connecting it on top of the next, and the one below that one. There we go. Once the back is off, check it out, looks good. Then you'll hot glue the back of that and stick it on top of the other ornament. There, now we're going to light the tree. We got these at Dollarama for $2, battery operated with a timer. And you'll want to secure those to the wreath with our method we want to use, but here we're just using some loose branches from the wreath itself to secure the lights so they don't blow off in the wind. There, and once the lights are in, you can connect the snowflake back on with some of the loose branches again from the wreath, just like a little twist tie. You don't have to worry about gluing it down. There, and once those are all secure, you can take some loose branches from the back again, twist those like a little twist tie, and you can make your little hanging loop. There, now that the loop's all finished, it's ready for hanging. Oh yes, look at that. That's a thing of beauty, that is. Doesn't that just look gorgeous? Everyone's got to have one of these at their house. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you on our next project. Hit subscribe.